In the orchestra of innovation, communication technologies have played a symphony that resonates through time, transforming how humanity connects, shares, and interacts. The story begins in the mid-19th century with a series of dots and dashes. Morse code, developed by Samuel Morse and Alfred Vail, this binary system turned electric pulses into symbols, revolutionizing long-distance communication. It was the beginning of a profound journey from printed ink to invisible rapid signals. By the late 19th century, the world was introduced to the telephone. Invented by Alexander Graham Bell, this device turned sound waves into electrical signals that could travel over wires, bringing human voices across great distances. No longer constrained to written text, the telephone opened a doorway for personal and immediate interaction, forever altering familial and business relationships. As we journey further into the 20th century, radio waves took the spotlight. Marconi's pioneering work in wireless telegraphy led to the birth of radio broadcasting. People could now receive news, music, and entertainment in their homes, ushering in a new era in communication. Radio set the stage for the next technological leap, television. With the world's first long-distance TV transmission by John Logie Baird in the 1920s, the world began to visualize content that radio could only describe. The visual medium enriched storytelling, marking a cultural shift in information dissemination. Then came the digital revolution of the late 20th century. With the invention of the internet, information highways were born. The genesis of email communication enabled instant written dialogue across continents. The World Wide Web, designed by Tim Berners-Lee, transformed static data into interconnected webs, allowing users to explore, engage, and evolve with unprecedented freedom and speed. Into the 21st century, the rise of mobile technology reshaped communication once again. With the advent of cellular networks, the world witnessed the monumental shift from 1G, enabling mobile voice calls, through to 2G, introducing text messages and a sprinkle of mobile data. As the years progressed into the early 2000s, 3G expanded capabilities, making mobile internet accessible for browsing and multimedia services. Then 4G, with its increased bandwidth and internet speeds, fueled a surge in social media and streaming services, ensuring that smartphones became the primary communication hub. Presenting itself as the latest frontier, 5G technology promises to redefine connectivity. Allowing speeds and efficiencies unimaginable in previous generations, 5G is set to enhance Internet of Things innovation, autonomous vehicles, and smart cities by enabling real-time communication between millions of devices. This leap promises lower latency, higher capacity, and a faster, more reliable network that could support the communication needs of our ever-growing digital ecosystem. Reflecting on this journey from dots and dashes to ultra-fast digital epochs, it becomes evident how each milestone was not merely an upgrade, but a reinvention of human interaction. Communication technologies have bridged geographical divides, facilitated cultural exchanges, and transformed livelihoods. As the world embraces the potential of 5G and beyond, the next chapter of communication promises to be ever more interconnected, intelligent, and impactful. Whether viewed through the lens of efficiency, accessibility, or innovation, the evolution of communication offers a testament to human ingenuity, forever striving to optimize the ways we connect.